So guys, this was how I was able to cold press jojoba oil at home. Aside the fact that this oil is hair and skin friendly, it also helps in lightening dark spots. It supples the skin. It also lightening the skin. It is, as a matter of fact, it is skin friendly. All right, it doesn't darken the skin. Jojoba oil has a lot of health benefits, and I think it's something everyone needs to try. Come along and let me show you how I was able to achieve this. Let's make cold press jojoba oil together, guys. Let me know, what do you know about jojoba? Have you heard about the oil before? Leave your answer in the comment section. I would like to know what you know about jojoba oil. So since I don't have the machine they use in cold pressing the jojoba oil, so I've thought of making use of my mini mortar and pestle. Okay, so I'm going to be making use of this mortar and pestle. To make use of grinder to achieve this. So I'm all done with the first step. So the next step is to grind it so that it can form powder, as you can see in the video with my small but mighty grinder. So this is the end result. All right, so now let's get started with the next step. I'm going to be soaking the jojoba powder in this pure coconut oil. All right, actually I tried the cold press method, but I think that one can only work out if I have the machine they use for it. It doesn't work out by spraying it with cloth. So I'm going to be moving the powder inside this jar. So I'm going to soak it. Let me leave it this way first. You can see this is 100% pure coconut oil. It's odorless. I'm going to pour it on the powder. Before taking out the oil from the jojoba powder. So you can use any carrier oil though, but I prefer coconut oil for a thing like this. I prefer coconut oil to any other form of oil. So if you are going to try it, I think you should also consider using coconut. I'm going to leave it for some hours, right, before taking out the oil. So this is the end result after 72 hours of soaking the jojoba powder in coconut oil. Like I said earlier in the video, you can make use of any carrier oil of your choice, but in my own case, I prefer coconut oil for anything like this that I am doing. All right, so now I'm going to be sieving out the oil. So let me first stir everything together in order to achieve more better results. So I'm going to strain out the oil cloth. So it's not hard. Okay, let's do this. In fact, the oil is already coming out on its own without spraying itself. Wow. Can you see that, guys? Can you see that? Uh-oh. I'm loving this on a serious note. Wow. I love it. Wow. Can you see that? The coconut oil has changed automatically into brown color. So I think I will advise anyone who is going to try this to just try and soak the jojoba seed. I mean the powder derived from jojoba seed after grinding. Try and soak it for 78 yeah 72 hours, sorry. Try and soak it for 72 hours. 3 days makes 72 hours, right? Yeah. Try and soak it for 72 hours. This is amazing. On a serious note, I did not even expect this color. Honestly, I must confess that I love this. Wow. And you know that this particular oil is a multi-purpose oil. You can use it as your skin glow oil. You can use it on your hair. It as well has a lot of health benefits, you know. You can use it for anything you it's also aid in hair growth, yeah. So you can use it for massage. Like as you have it like this, you can just drop you can add a drop of like peppermint oil in it. You know all this essential oil. I love this honestly. Wow. I think I've tried. Mm, good, right? Isn't that amazing? Look at this, guys. Just look at it on my